Quite a few motorcycles from the BS4 batches of 2018 and 19 G310R and GS encountered the battery issue, where the battery would die in the middle of ride or when the motorcycle was parked for a week or more. I should report this that a couple of months back I did a 1500 km ride with the G310R where the motorcycle performed with absolute fun and no issues. So the next test was to fill it, shut it and forget it for over a month without cranking the engine. There is a video on how the RTR200 played the proxy, so don't miss that video from the link in the description. Honestly, with the RTR in place, I did not really miss the G310R, especially when I was riding inside the city. This also reminds me of the time in 2019 where the RTR's battery gave up in the middle of highway and I had to push start it. Normally it's just the battery, but sometimes it can be the charging system that includes the alternator, popularly known as the magnetostator setup in motorcycles, along with the RR unit that rectifies and regulates the voltage. So here is the Blackbird parked in cover for more than a month, and it seems the birds in the vicinity do envy this one. So let's take the cover off and keep that away from the exhaust. Key slotted and turned in ignition, I can clearly hear the fuel pump priming, which is definitely reassuring at this moment. The gearbox is in neutral. I didn't want to start this in side stand, but I had no other options. So here comes the moment of truth. The starter is pressed and the G310R is back to life. As usual, the initial idling RPM will be higher before it settles down. As the motorcycle was standing still for a month, there could be some condensation in the exhaust that can come out as water vapor. So no reason to worry over there as long as everything settles for clean. The engine was left in idle till I did the basic checks. In the meanwhile, the radiator fan kicked in, which notified everything was running fine in the cooling system as well. Following this, I did take the Blackbird for a short flight, and well, I have to be honest again that horsepower can make you happy. So this was indeed a relief and update from my end, and I hope this will help other riders as well. So that's it for this video, and I hope you guys have liked it.